Tata Motors is getting aggressive in the electric vehicle space. Tata Motors has now showcased its electric SUV concept, Curvv, a curve with a double V. The concept Curvv is Tata Motors' rendition of the modern SUV typology. This vehicle is expected to take a final form in the next 2 years. The concept Curvv in its production-ready avatar will first enter the market as an extension of the company's ever-evolving portfolio, which will subsequently be followed by its internal combustion engine or ICE counterpart. Now we have Martin Ullrich, Head of Design, Tata Motors, taking us through the finer points of this vehicle. The video here is courtesy Tata Motors.
What we wanted to do was create a product that is really unique, dynamic, sporty, and of course elegant. This is an SUV with a sporty stance. So we created a new typology vehicle. We've kept the overall standard wide wheel arches, large cladding, the command driving position, and we combined it with a sleek and efficient and very emotional silhouette, augmented by this very sleek arch, which creates an SUV sporty character. Of course, we've married that with an overall design language, which we call digital. So we have very clean surfaces and all crisp lines. Everything is about being efficient. And all of the surfaces with a hard line architecture create something that is very comprehensively exciting and dynamic, but at the same time functional. A squared up back end, aerodynamic wheel design, and again, something that creates overall a communication that this is a crisp, dynamic, and sporty product. We haven't sacrificed any of the function in terms of rear roominess, ingress, egress, or boot space with this design. In fact, we've actually offered class-leading dimensions and features. When we were designing this vehicle, we also wanted to make sure that it didn't come across as claustrophobic. So the entire cabin is augmented by the panorama sunroof, which creates a real feeling of light. And of course, just like with the exterior, a real attention to detail was focused. You can see the detailing, the fluting, the switches, the vents, and the sharpness of the design are all consistent with the exterior. So just like with the exterior, what we wanted to do was communicate the same design values on the interior. The horizontal light guide, which mirrors the front and the rear of the vehicle. The emphasis of detailing and efficiency, which you see in all the detailing throughout the interior. We talked about creating a technology-focused product. That's emphasized by the two screens on the top of the instrument panel, which communicate the infotainment and, of course, the information that the driver needs. That's also augmented by the heater controls, which are now a touchscreen interface. The steering wheel is our next generation steering wheel DNA. What we've done is we've created a digital platform where the logo is now illuminated in the center, and that's augmented by two switches on either end where the driver can communicate and interface with the product as well as possible. There's another aspect, which is the color and materials and the finish that was chosen for this vehicle. You can see it communicates a real sporty feel, this ombre effect fabric, which we have on the instrument panel and on the seats. Overall, create a real lifestyle product, again, emphasizing the sporty character of the users and the customers. And that is the Curvv.